I'm HVAC repair guy, a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years of field experience in HVAC. Today we're looking at two entry-level packaged gas furnaces, the Blueridge BRP7GE series and the American Standard Silver 13.4 Model 4 YCY5. Once you look past the brochures, there are crucial differences in how they are sold, warrantied, and installed. Most homeowners think the biggest question when replacing a gas pack is finding the highest efficiency rating. In my experience, efficiency is only part of the story. What really matters is total long-term ownership, including upfront cost parts availability and durability in harsh weather. Blueridge is designed for direct consumer availability without requiring a licensed dealer purchase. American Standard strictly requires an authorized dealer for purchase and installation. Both units run at 81% AFU for heating and a 13.4 SEER efficiency rating for cooling. On the furnace side, 81 cents of every dollar you spend on gas turns into heat, while 19 cents escapes out the flue pipe. Neither unit will dramatically drop your utility bills compared to modern high-efficiency options, but they deliver reliable baseline performance. Both models use single-stage technology, meaning they run at full capacity until the thermostat is satisfied, paired with a standard single-speed blower motor. You will not get ultra-quiet micro-adjusted airflow, but you also will avoid expensive replacement bills for custom motor control boards. Simpler equipment often means far cheaper out-of-warranty repairs. Both manufacturers protect their outdoor condensing coils with louvered metal panels to guard against hail and debris. Under the hood, both use eco-friendly R454B refrigerant and carry 10-year parts warranties when registered. American Standard limits its heat exchanger warranty to 20 years, while Blueridge offers a lifetime heat exchanger warranty. American Standard uses a proprietary spine-fin aluminum coil that resists corrosion extremely well in harsh conditions. Blueridge equipment generally runs around $2,800 to $3,500 for the unit itself, making it cost-effective with a trusted installer, the American Standard. Silver 13.4 typically runs between $5,500 and $8,500 fully installed through an authorized dealer. Blueridge is better for budget-conscious homeowners who want a direct buy unit with a lifetime heat exchanger warranty. American Standard is better for homeowners who prefer full service. Dealers support spine-fin coils and an established local dealer network. If it were my house, I would lean toward the Blueridge BRP7GE series because of the lifetime heat exchanger warranty and lower overall equipment cost. Paired with a thorough, high-quality installation from a skilled local tech, it provides better practical value over 15 years of ownership.